Hello. Hello. Good morning. Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
I think in the last class we have completed this exercise 2.1. No?
2.1 done, sir.
Yeah. Only for revision sake, I am telling you that polynomial means. Yeah.
Can you speak a little louder?
Okay. Now my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look. Polynomial is nothing but a special type of a algebraic expression in which the power is a whole number. The power of a variable
This whole number.
is a whole number. It is nothing but a algebraic expression means group of terms in which the variable highest power, the variable power must be whole number. Okay. Then we will learn based on degree. Based on a degree, we have several type of a polynomial. If degree equal to 1 degree is nothing but the highest power of the variable in that polynomial. Highest power. Highest
Power.
power. If degree equal to 1, the polynomial is called linear polynomial. If degree equal to 2,
Quadratic.
quadratic polynomial. If degree equal to 3,
3.
cubic polynomial.
Cubic.
Okay. If degree equal to 0, constant polynomial. Constant.
Constant.
Okay. Constant polynomial. Okay. I think on the basis based of this concept we completed exercise 2.1. Okay. Yeah, we completed this. Then come to zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. What do you mean by zero of a polynomial?
Any polynomial is multiplied by 0 and
Zero of a polynomial. Consider polynomial p of x means there is a polynomial that having x variable. Okay. The p of x is nothing but the meaning is polynomial of a variable x. If you replace x by 1 everywhere in p of x, we get 4. So we say that the value of a px at x equal to 1 is 4. Similarly, just find the value of each of the following polynomial or the indicate value of a variable. Okay, two things are important. One is value, one is value of the polynomial, value of the,
polynomial.
and one is zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the
1.
polynomial. Two concept. Remember, if it is a linear polynomial, the number of a zero means by putting the variable value. Okay, by putting the variable value on the polynomial, that polynomial becomes 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
suppose 2x plus 2. What I put the value of x, that my whole polynomial becomes 0. That is called the zeros of a polynomial.
Okay.
Okay, but what do you mean by value of the polynomial? Value of the polynomial means, look, there is an example p polynomial of x equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 3 plus 7. They will give you one polynomial and they will tell you, suppose x value equal to 1. X equal to 1, find the value. Find the value. Remember, 0 of the polynomial is different, value of the polynomial is different. Okay, 0 of the polynomial means by putting the variable value, the whole polynomial should become 0. That is called 0 of the polynomial. Value of the polynomial means on a certain variable, if a given polynomial, in a given polynomial, if the value is given by the question, you have to put the value in place of a variable. Okay, look, I am doing one, you will get more clarity. Look, first question is saying there is a polynomial. Look, here it is saying value, you have to find value, not 0, you have to find value. How to The question is, there is a polynomial of x variable is 5x square minus 3x plus 7, and they also give x equal to 1. X equal to 1 means you have to find the value. You have to find the value. It's simple. In place of a variable, you have to put a 1. Okay?
Okay, sir.
5 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 7. Okay? In place of a variable, you have to put the value given by the question. 5 into 1 square, 1, minus 3 into 1, 3, plus 7. 5 minus 3 plus 7. It will be 9. Okay?
Okay, sir.
This is the polynomial of a x variable having 9 when at x equal to 1. Okay?
Okay.
Like this you have to do. You like this you have to do. Let's look second question. There is a polynomial of y variable. Polynomial of a y variable, that is 3y cube,
Speak a little louder.
3y cube minus,
Sir, still I can't hear.
just a minute, wait. Now my voice is clear.
No, sir.
Now my voice is clear.
Ah, yes, sir.
And then look. Suppose there is a polynomial q of y, means having q polynomial having y variable is 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11. Find the value of the value of the polynomial at y equal to 2. Fine.
Right. 2. 9 by right, sir.
No. This is 9qy, means polynomial of q having y variable. This is your polynomial. 3y cube minus 4y plus root 11.
9, sorry, qy, sorry, q of y equals to, sir.
Yeah.
Equals to. Right.
Are you doing?
Yes, sir, I'm doing.
In place of y, place the value of y given by the question.
Sir?
In place of y, put the y value given by the question.
Okay, sir.
This is the question for finding value.
Root 11, right, sir?
Root 11.
Okay.
Okay, look. 3 into 2 power q
Uh,
minus 4 into 2 plus root 11. 3 into 2 power q how much? 2
8, sir.
minus 4 into 2 8 plus root 11. 3 into 8 how much?
3 into 8,
24
yes, sir.
minus 8 plus root 11. Your answer will be 16 plus root 11. Okay,
Okay, sir.
look, 16 plus root 11. Are you looking?
Yes, sir,
Then the last question is, there is a polynomial having t variable equal to 4t raised to the power 4 plus 5t raised to the power q minus t square plus 6. Find the value of the polynomial. Just a minute. When t equal to a.
Q equals to.
Just a minute, wait. Hmm. t equal to 1.
T equals to 1, right, sir?
Sorry, t equal to a.
A.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
4A square.
Yeah, 4a square plus 5t 5a 5a cube minus a square plus 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then move to 0 of the polynomial.
Polynomial.
0 of the,
Polynomial.
or we can say root of the polynomial. Okay. Root of the
Polynomial.
polynomial. Suppose there is a polynomial p of x. Okay. If by putting the x value, if it is equal to 0, then it is called 0 of the polynomial.
Okay, sir.
The meaning is what? Every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. Okay, look, suppose 3x minus 5 is a polynomial. Okay. 0 of the polynomial means by put what you have to find the value of x. By putting that x, your whole equation becomes 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3x minus 5 becomes 0 na? Can I write 0? Yeah. 3x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 3. If you put 5 by 3 in this equation, 3 into 5 by 3 minus 5, it becomes 0 na? This 5 by 3 is nothing but your 0 of the polynomial or a root of the polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now consider the constant polynomial 5. 5 is a constant polynomial.
5. No, sir.
Yeah, constant polynomial power 0 na.
Oh, okay.
It has no 0 because replacing x by any number in 5x to the power 0 still gives us 5. If you find x value anything 1, okay, it don't have 0. Remember, constant polynomial don't have 0, don't have a.
0. Have 0, right, sir?
In fact, a non-zero constant polynomial has no 0. What about the 0 of the polynomial? By convention, every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. Okay. Every real number is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. What do you mean by this? Every real number. Suppose 5 is a real number. Is a 0 of the 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means 0. And constant polynomial means, look, what it is telling. Remember one thing. Constant polynomial don't have 0. You understand?
Okay, sir.
Constant polynomial do not have 0. Do not have a
0.
0. Then second thing, every
Real number.
real number is 0 of a 0 polynomial. What does it mean? Tell me. 0 polynomial only we are having 0 na?
Ah,
Every real number. If you count 1, 1 is the 0 of a 0 polynomial. 2 is the 0 of a 0 polynomial. 3 is the 0 of a 0 polynomial. Root 3 is also 0 for 0 polynomial. Okay.
okay, sir.
Look, number 1. Look, I am concluding. Linear polynomial having 0. quadratic polynomial having 0, cubic polynomial having 0, constant polynomial don't having 0. Number 3, zero polynomial having 0. Do you know linear polynomial having only 1 0, only 1 0. Quadratic polynomial having 2 0, and cubic polynomial having 3 0. Constant polynomial having 0 0. They don't have polynomial 0 0 having infinite zeros. Okay, that means whenever you are finding a 0 of a linear polynomial, 100% you will get only one value, only one value. When you are finding quadratic 0 of a quadratic polynomial, 100% you will get 2, means 2x value. By putting this 2x value, your equation becomes 0. Okay, then look, I'm taking one example. The most important thing is constant polynomial don't have a 0, and a 0 polynomial having infinite 0. Okay, look, check whether minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Tell me, x plus 2 is which type of a polynomial? Hello. Look, this is which type of polynomial? Hello,
sir.
this is which type of polynomial?
Oh, but mine.
My question is, this is which type of polynomial? It is linear, quadratic, cubic,
Linear.
linear. That means how many zero this polynomial have?
One.
But here two are given. Two are given. Okay. Then check p of x equal to x plus 2. This is the polynomial given by your book. You have to check for x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 2. Two zeros are given. Actually, it is having only one zero. You have to check which one is correct. Which one is correct. Suppose I am taking 0 means by putting the x value, the whole equation should become 0.
Okay.
First I am putting minus 2. First I am putting minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 2 is 0 of the polynomial x plus 2. Yes. Then the 2 value. 2 plus 2. It is equal to 4. That means it is not. Okay.
Okay.
First you have to remember in your mind, okay, linear equation having only one zero. Here two options are giving. That means 100% one option is wrong. Okay. Then look the second question. Second question is saying you have to find 0. Here 0 are given by your book and you have to find the correct 0. But in this question you have to find the 0. That is a polynomial of a px x variable. That is a polynomial having x variable. Okay. The polynomial is 2x plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What does the meaning of a 0? That means our polynomial should be equal with 0 na?
Yes, sir.
By finding the value of this polynomial, by 0 of this polynomial, our whole polynomial becomes 0 na? So can I write p of x equal to 0?
P of x equals to 0.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
p of x plus put the value 2x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. This is minus 1. Don't be confused.
Okay.
0 of the polynomial means by putting, you have to find the variable value. By putting that variable value, your polynomial should become 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So which type of question they will ask? Most of the time they will ask find the given polynomial zeros. You have to find the zeros. How to find? This is the step. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but sometimes they will give the zeros and you have to check which zeros are correct. Okay, if it is a linear polynomial, that means 100% the x value in the world, only minus 1 upon 2 is the one value. By putting in this polynomial, my polynomial become 0. Okay,
Okay, sir.
look the question.
X square.
X square minus 2x. First to tell me, it is a linear polynomial. Here it is written linear polynomial has one and only one zero. Okay, that means you can able to find the variable, only one variable of only one value for the variable. Okay,
Okay,
first to tell me x square minus 2x, it is which type of polynomial?
uh, quadratic, sir.
Quadratic polynomial means how many zero it have?
2.
2. Then how to find? For this we have to learn factorization method, splitting the middle term, splitting the
Middle term.
middle term. Okay, several methods are there for finding the, but the important is splitting the middle term. But in this question, you the question in this question, two zeros are given by your book. You have to check which one is correct. You have to check which one is.
Correct.
Sorry, two zeros are given. You have to verify. Okay,
Okay, sir.
two types of a question are coming from this concept. Sometime they will give you zero. You have to verify. That is little bit easy. But when they will tell you to find the zeros, that time it is more difficult. Okay, here zeros are given. You have to verify. Verify means first x equal to 0. Put the value of 0. 0 square minus 2 into 0. 0 minus 0. It becomes 0.
Yes, sir.
If you got 0, that means it is a 0 of the quadratic polynomial. Then put the 2 value. 2 square minus 2 into 2. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. It is a quadratic polynomial. Na? 100% quadratic polynomial having 2 0. Na?
Yes, sir.
1 is 0, 1 is 2. How this you find? What if that is in your syllabus? I will tell you. Okay.
Okay.
Till this only remember a 0 of a polynomial need to be 0. 0 may be 0. Okay, leave this. Linear polynomial having 1 0. How many 0?
1, sir.
1 0. That means you can able to find the value of the variable only one. Only
1.
one. Quadratic polynomial having 2 0.
2, 0.
X equal to 2. 2 value. Cubic polynomial 3 0. Okay. Hence 2 and 0 both zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Let's now list our observation. A 0 of a polynomial need to be 0. 0 of a polynomial means suppose p of x is a polynomial, it should be equal to 0. That then I can say 0 of the polynomial. Okay.
Okay, sir.
0 may be 0 of a polynomial. Here you look. 0 is also 0 of a polynomial. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Every linear polynomial has one and only 0. A polynomial can have more than one 0. Okay, you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Then look. Find the value. Value means look, two things we are discussing. Value and 0. Value means your question will give you some variable value. You have to put that value in place of variable and you have to find the value. Okay. 0 means what you put the variable value, that equation becomes 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then look the first question. Here the question is saying finding the value or finding the zero. Tell me.
Value.
Value means whatever the variable value is given, you have to put in that polynomial and find the value. Fine.
Should I do, sir?
The question is 5x minus 4x square plus 3. You have to find the value of that variable at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 1, at x equal to 2. How to find? First took x equal to 0, put 0 on the x value and find the value. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. So, find the value. When x equal to 0, value of the polynomial how much? Tell me.
Value of sorry, I'm still 3, sir. First x equal to 0 is 3.
Okay, 3. Then when x equal to 0, value of the polynomial is 3.
3.
Then x equal to minus 1. Fine. How to find? 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 square, 2 become 0. 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Okay. Then x equal to minus 1.
Sir, plus 4, sir.
Okay. 5 into minus 1, that is minus 5. Minus
1,
minus 4 plus 3.
minus.
Because 5 into minus 1, it will be minus 5.
Yes.
Minus 4 into minus 1 square. Minus 4 into 1, na?
Yes.
Minus 5 minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 minus 9 plus 3, it will be minus 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then find last when ax equal to 2, find the value of the polynomial.
Sir, 9.
9.
9. 1 second, sir. 9.
Okay, look, 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. 5 into 2 10
10.
minus 4 into 2 square 4 plus 3. 10 plus 3 13 minus 16 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Then read the question number 2.
Find P of 0,
Hmm.
comma P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials.
Okay, there is a polynomial p of y equal to y square minus y plus 1. P of 0 means here y look here variable is varying, na?
Yes, sir.
P of y, p of t, p of x, p of x. Here p of 0 means 0. You have to find the value at y equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
You have to find value at y equal to 1. You have to find value at y equal to 2. For first polynomial, same for second polynomial, same for third polynomial, same for fourth polynomial. Now you understand?
Yes,
Instead
sir.
of giving x variable name equal to some value, they will give in form of a polynomial. But you have to understand this is the meaning.
Yes, sir.
when p at y equal to 0, find the value of the polynomial py equal to y square minus 1 plus 1 minus y plus 1.
Sir, first one 0. P equals to 0, 1.
When y equal to 0, that time value equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Look, I am putting 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So p of y equal to 1 at y equal to 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then same thing, find p of y equal to y square minus y plus 1 at y equal to 1.
Sir, answer 1.
Okay, look, 1 square minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 1 square 1. Yeah. Then when y equal to 2 at y equal to 2, find the value of this polynomial.
Okay. 3, sir.
Okay, look, y equal to 2, 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 4 minus 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Same thing when p of t means polynomial having t 2 plus t plus 2 square minus t cube, find the value of the polynomial at t equal to 0, t equal to 1, t equal to 2. First at t equal to 0. This is plus, this is t,
Sir.
this is 2t square, this is minus.
Okay. Sir, answer 2.
Okay, 2 plus this become 0
Yes,
and
sir.
2 into 0 square also 0
Yes,
minus
sir.
0 cube also 0. That means 2 plus 0 plus 0 minus 0 equal to 2. P of t equal to 2 at t equal to 0.
Okay.
Now find when t equal to 1.
Sir, answer 4.
Okay, look, 2 plus 1 plus 2 1 square minus 1 cube. 2 plus 1
plus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel 4. So P of t equal to 4 at t equal to 1. Now find for t equal to 2.
Sir, answer 4.
Okay, look. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2q. 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 4 minus 8. 4. This is your answer. Okay.
Yes.
Then the another polynomial is p of x, means polynomial having x variable equal to x square. You have to find value at x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2. And first you have to find at x equal to 0. Fine. At x equal to 0, what is the value of a polynomial? X cube.
X cube. Right, sir?
Yeah,
X equals to 0, answer is 0.
0 cube. That p of x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. When x equal to 1,
1. Answer 1.
that time
1.
1 q, that is 1. Then 2.
8, sir.
Okay. 2 q, that is nothing but 8 at x equal to 2. Then the last question. There is a polynomial that having x minus 1, x plus 1. Can I simplify this? A minus b, a plus b. Do you remember the identity? A minus b all into a plus b.
Yes, sir.
It will be a square minus b square. That means it is x square minus 1 square. X square minus 1 square is nothing but 1, na?
Yes,
Okay. Now find the value of this polynomial at x equal to 0, at x equal to 1, and x equal to 2. So first case, p of x equal to x minus 1, sorry, x square minus 1. You have to find the value at 0 equal to 1.
sir. What, sir?
You have to find the value na at 0 equal to 1. Sorry, x equal to 0.
Okay. X
Find
is okay. 0 minus 1. Wow. Minus 1, sir.
minus 1. P of x equal to minus 1 at x equal to 0. Something when x equal to 1.
X equals to 1. Answer 0, sir.
Yeah, 1 square, 1 square
Mm.
minus 1, it will be 0 at x equal to 1. And x equal to 2.
2 square 4. 3, sir.
Okay, 2 square minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Yeah, 1 equals equal to 2.
Then come to the next concept. Verify whether the following are zero of the polynomial. Indicators against them. That means you have to verify. Two type of question, na? Either the question will give you zero, you have to verify. Otherwise, you have to find zero. Otherwise, you have to find
Zero.
zero. But here, you have to verify. You have to
Verify.
verify means you know na zero means polynomial of x should be equal to zero.
Yes, sir.
Then polynomial of x equal to 3x plus 1. In place of x, put this value. If it is equal to 0, then it is 0. If it accept anything, then it is not the 0. Okay?
Okay.
Put and check. 0 means 100% you should get 0. Value means you can get any value.
Okay. Sir, 1/3. Zero.
Minus 1 by 3.
Oh, yes, sir.
3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. Plus 3, the 3 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, it is 0 na?
Yes, sir.
Then LHS equal to RHS na?
Yes, sir.
That means x equal to minus 1 upon 3 is 0 of the polynomial. Okay?
Okay.
Then for second question check. 5x minus pi.
Yes, sir.
Are you looking?
Yes, sir.
P of x equal to 0. Took LHS. 5x P of x equal to 5x minus pi. 5 into 4 upon 5. 5 into 4 upon 5 minus pi. 5. This is pi. Yeah. Then 4 minus pi. 100% it is not 0 because you know the value of pi is 3.141. So how you get 0 here? Does not equal to 0. LHS does not equal to RHS. Okay.
Okay.
So x equal to 4 upon 5 is not a 0. Is not a 0 of a polynomial. This. Okay.
Okay.
It is a quadratic equation. So two values are given. Two zeros are given. Okay. X equal to 1. X equal to minus 1. Okay. We have to prove P of x should equal to 0. Then 2 LHS at x equal to 1. Sorry, 0 x equal to 1. Then P of x equal to this and check. Are these two value are zeros of a polynomial x square minus 1 or not?
X square minus 1, right, sir?
Yeah.
X equals to 1.
First case x equal to 1. Check if you get 0, that means it is 0.
Yes, sir. 0. I got.
1 square minus 1. Yeah, 0. Then again x equal to minus 2 to LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to
RHS.
then when x equal to minus 1.
Minus. No, sir. Answer will be minus 2.
Okay, look. P of x equal to x square minus 1.
X square. Yes, sir. 0. Okay, sir. 0.
Minus 1 square minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Yeah.
Yes.
These two value, this two x value are zeros of this polynomial because we are getting 0 na.
Yes, sir.
P of x equal to x plus 1
X minus.
First you simplify this. First you simplify x into x square,
Yes, sir.
x into minus 2x,
Yes, sir.
1 into x 1 into 2, minus 2. So x square minus 2x minus x. It will be minus x minus 2. Okay?
Okay, sir.
X into x square, x into minus 2x plus 1 into x plus 1 into minus 2 x square minus x minus 2. Okay, by looking this, tell me, it is which type of polynomial?
Quadratic, sir.
That means how many 0 you should get?
2, sir.
2. But here the question is giving 0. You have to prove. That means p of x should equal to 0. 0 means this, na?
Yes.
Then 2 LHS. LHS equal to x square p of x equal to x square minus x minus 2. Put the value of minus 1 first. X equal to minus 1.
Sir, answer 2, minus 2.
Minus 2. Okay. Minus 1 square minus of a minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 square how much?
1
Minus of a minus 1
plus 1
plus 1 plus 1
plus
2.
2, 2
2
minus
minus 2 equal to 0. How I get 0? You are getting minus 2. You have to simplify carefully. Okay.
2.
Then x equal to 2. Sorry, x equal to 2.
X 2, right, sir?
Yeah.
Where is the question, sir?
Same question. P of x
P of
should equal to 0. LHS p of x equal to x square minus x plus 2. If
where 4 minus 2, 4, sir.
0 or not?
No, sir.
2 square 4 minus 2 plus 2. Okay, it is 0. 4. So it is not 0. Only 1. X equal to minus 1 is correct. Okay.
Okay,
Then come to next question. P of x equal to x square. This is a polynomial. Okay.
okay,
1 0 is given. You x equal to 0. You have to check. That means what is the meaning of 0? P of x should equal to 0.
yes, sir.
Then 2 KLHS. P of x equal to x square. By put the value of 0 because here x equal to 0 na. 0 square equal to 0 na. Oh yeah. So this x equal to 0 is a polynomial. Here it written as zeros of the polynomial or indicators against them. Okay, zeros of the polynomial. At last you have to write zeros of the
Polynomial.
polynomial. Come to next question. P of x equal to Lx plus m. The zeros of the polynomial x equal to minus m into L. Check. P of x should equal to 0. That is the meaning of a zeros of the polynomial. Then took LHS. P of x equal to Lx plus m. The put x equal to this much.
L,
The value of x is minus m by L.
okay, sir. Yeah, minus L m by L. Okay, sir. 0, sir.
0. How? L into x value minus m into minus m divided by L plus m. L cancel, minus m minus plus m cancel, it will be 0. That means it is zeros of the polynomial.
Yes, sir.
Come to next question. 3x square minus 1. Two zeros are given. X equal to minus 1 upon root 3. 1 is 2 upon root 3. So zeros of the polynomial means px should equal to 0. LHS. Then put 1 upon root 3. Minus 1 upon root 3. In place of a x, put minus 1 upon root 3. Na? Check whether you are getting 0 or not.
Yes, sir, I'm reading.
Okay. 3 into minus 1 upon root 3 square. Exponent power rule. It means minus 1 square is 1. 3 square 3. Here we are applying the exponential rule. A minus a upon b square means individually a square divided by b square. Okay.
Okay.
3 3 cancel, plus 1 minus 1 cancel 0. That means yes. And check for second. 2 upon root 3.
2 upon root 3.
Yeah.
No, sir, I'm not getting.
Okay, check. 3 into 2 upon root 3 square minus 1. 3 into 2 squares are 4. 3 minus 1. 3 3 cancel, 4 minus 1 3. So it indicates against them. Indicates against them. Okay.
Okay.
Last question. P of x equal to 2x plus 1. One of the 0 equal to 1 upon 2. You have to check. P of x should equal to 0. That is the meaning of 0. LHS P of x equal to 2x plus 1. Put the value of 1 upon 2. Check.
No, sir. Sir, minus 1 by 2 or only 1 by 2?
Only 1 by 2.
No.
Oh. 2 to cancel, 1 plus 2. Very indicates them. Indicated against them. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But the question number 4 is so much important. Here you have to find zeros. Look, all these polynomials are of which type? What are the question are given? Linear. Linear means how many zero we can able to find?
0. 1.
One number of 0. 1. Now look, I am doing one question. P of x equal to x plus 5. You are finding 0 means what is the meaning of 0? Px should equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Px is nothing but our x plus 5. It should equal to 0. X equal to minus 5. This is the meaning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like this, find question number double I. P of x equal to x minus 5.
X equals to
X equal to?
plus 5.
Yeah. P of x should equal to 0. P of x is nothing but x minus 5 should equal to 0. Then x equal to minus plus 5. Put 5 na. 5 minus 5 0 na.
Yes, sir.
Triple I question. Find the zeros.
2x plus 5x.
Yeah.
Sir, minus 2 by 5.
Okay. What is the meaning of zeros? That means your polynomial should equal to 0. Then 2x plus 5 should equal to 0. 2x equal to 5. X equal to 5 by 2.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, minus 5 by 2. IV.
Okay, 3x minus 2. Minus, sorry, plus 2 by 3, sir.
Okay. Px equal to 0. Px is nothing but our polynomial should equal to 0. 3x equal to minus 2 coming to this side 2. X equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir, okay.
Then another is pfx equal to 3x. Polynomial of x equal to 3x.
3x, only 3x, sir.
Yeah,
Okay, 0, sir. X
0.
equals to 0.
Your p of x should equal to 0. So 3x equal to 0. X equal to 0 by 3. 0 by any number in the world becomes 0.
0.
Coming to question number VI. P of x equal to x where a never becomes 0. So find the 0. A does not equal to 0 but x can be 0. Okay.
X. Okay, what, sir?
Find the 0 na. Px equal to x.
Okay, x equals to 0.
Okay. Px equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to
0.
0 upon a. 0 upon a in the world is nothing but 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then last question. P of x equal to cx plus d where c does not equal to 0. Okay. Then CDR real. Nothing but these are the hints. Don't focus on this. Only look how to find the answer. Fine.
Plus d, right, sir? D.
Yeah.
D equals to 0. Okay, okay. Uh, d minus x.
Okay. Look. P of x is nothing but it should equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Cx plus d equal to 0. Cx equal to minus d. Ax equal to minus d upon c. Okay.
Minus d upon c, sir.
Yeah, because you are finding variable value x na. Because your polynomial x na.
Okay, 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 yes, sir.
Okay.